What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another of my unboxing for my home theater system. This is the PANAMAX MR5100. It is a power conditioner slash surge protector. I've been using it for a while now, a couple years, and I figured since I got a power amplifier now, I'm gonna need more protection and obviously more filtration and more power. And from what I had before, this was more than enough. So I figured I'd just probably upgrade and get something a little bit more, suited for the job. So this is the MR4000. If you have a small home theater like me, this was more than enough to do the job. But I had to upgrade, like I said. So this is the 5100 from PANAMAX. It's a little bit more sophisticated than the 4000. Obviously, the higher the number you go, the higher the quality and the stuff you get, more protection and stuff you get. So the reason why I went for this one, because you guys all know me. I'm a minimalist. I don't really like digital screens and digital numbers and all this extraness. What is this? Really, Amazon? Look how they pack it. Oh well. So this was 300 and change. I went to Best Buy. I seen it for 500 and change. Why does it look like this is used? I don't think it's used. I don't know what it's that about. But I went to Best Buy to try to price match it. They didn't want to. I don't know why. So I went ahead and picked it up off Amazon for $200 cheaper. Why not? So, yeah, I went with this one because it doesn't have, unlike the 5300, it doesn't have all the digits and the digital screen with the blue digital screen. I don't really like that. I try to be as simplistic as I can. So that's why I went for this 5100. Now these things are a must if you're running home theater systems. This is a must. You must have this. It's not really that heavy. I don't know why this box gives me so much weight. Alright, let's open up this bad boy. I hear stuff jingling inside. Make sure you guys can see it. So this is the last piece of my home theater system. I don't need anything else after this. This is the last piece. You won't be seeing any more unboxing videos of home theater stuff anymore after this. I'm pretty much set and comfortable. May have to do a video on my setup. I don't even have room for this. I have to probably replace my PlayStation and relocate it, go somewhere else, and put this there instead. So in the box, you get the mounting accessories. You're gonna rack mount it, instruction manual, and some screws. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. Triple box. I just wanted 3 boxes. Alright, this is how it look. Take off this plastic. Sorry, I'm focused. wish I could plug it up real quick for you guys, but I can't. It does have the voltage meter right here, but that can be turned off. And it's basically kind of like a clone to this, but like I said, I'm going for the most simplistic look. Let's see if I can. So this is the 5100, and this is the 4000. You can tell they look kind of similar, but I have to get bigger power supply. Let's take a look on the back. Focus. This is the bank for high current, like amplifiers and stuff like that. These are the filtered outlets. Alright, so go ahead and hook this up, connect all my devices to it, and call it a day. Like I said, I think this is the last thing I'm going to buy for my home theater. So don't expect any more videos of stuff I'm buying, because I'm kind of situated now. I think I'm done. That's it. I spent enough money, and I'm quite happy. So that's it, guys. See you on other videos besides unboxing. All right, peace.